Hello, my name is Mayu and I live in Hiroshima, Japan. Welcome to ZEN Harmony Parenting. Our mission is cultivating future global leaders with teachings of Japanese harmony. On this channel, I'll share the natural ways of thinking and behaving that Japanese people learn through their culture's upbringing. These concepts are deeply rooted in Japanese parenting and can easily be incorporated into child development approaches. I appreciate your understanding as I was born and raised in Japan and I still live here. While my English isn't perfect, I'd be grateful if you could watch with patience. A little about me. I've worked as a news reporter and a TV and radio director at a broadcasting station in Hiroshima. Over the years, I've collaborated with professionals in the music, politics, economics, and education fields, leading me to focus on education and parenting topics. I've also studied brain science, psychotherapy, and mindfulness, and applied this knowledge in raising my own children. Additionally, I've taken an interest in both Western and Japanese education systems. Many global business professionals not having the skills for such as modesty and teamwork, qualities that are naturally embedded in Japanese culture and behavior. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, a report highlighted that the emotional intelligence, flexibility, and collaboration skills are essential for future business professionals. In other words, to succeed globally, these skills are critical. How about you and your children? Have you required these skills? Unlike school subjects, there are no textbooks or reference books for these skills, so how can we learn them? Don't worry, even we Japanese weren't born with these skills. They've been passed down through generations of parenting. Brain science shows that skills learned before age 8 are much easier to apply later in life. For example, there's the story of a child raised by wolves who couldn't walk on two legs or speak properly when found at age 7. On the other hand, the habits and behaviors we acquire in childhood can easily be applied to life and work as adults. I'll share the secrets of ZEN Harmony Parenting to help you acquire these skills without any stress. I hope this channel helps bring more joy and ease to your parenting journey.